Alright, so right now I got some jackfruit cooking up. I love this stuff. This is the teriyaki version. So I'm just whipping it up. There it is right there, boom, teriyaki. I got my rice cooker going. So I like putting vegetables into the rice cooker as the rice is cooking. I chop up some celery, some mushrooms. I think I got some carrots in there too. So then it's very basic. It's super easy. So after the rice is done, you just throw the rice, put some rice on a plate. Or a bowl, a big ass bowl I should say. There it is right there. So I scoop that rice out. And I place it in the bowl. So you got the rice, veggies, and another thing about that jackfruit, I like eating that, especially when I'm getting cravings for meat, because even though I've been doing this vegan thing for 3 years, I still get cravings every now and then. It's a really great alternative. It has like a pulled pork type of texture. But yeah, I throw it on top there. I like getting the amino acids too in there, like the soy sauce alternative. Yep, there's a rice cooker. That thing saves lives. I highly recommend getting one. There's the soy sauce alternative, liquid aminos. That stuff is fucking gangster. Yeah, so that's really it. Jackfruit, rice, some chopped up vegetables. Try it out. It's one of my favorite meals. It's super basic. Takes a couple minutes to make. The jackfruit at least. The rice takes about like 15 minutes to make. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time, peace.